In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello template from an existing board. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn a board you already use into a reusable template that you, your team, or anyone you share it with can quickly copy and adapt. Let's start right inside Trello. First, open the board that you want to turn into a template. This might be a project you've already set up with lists like to do, in progress, and done, or a more detailed workflow with checklists, labels, and custom fields. The key thing is choose a board that already represents a process you'll want to repeat in the future. If you're not there yet, you may want to clean it up first by removing irrelevant cards and archiving anything you won't need in new copies. Once your board is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More or Options menu. This lives in the board's header area, usually next to the Share or Workspace options. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens a menu with various settings and actions that relate to the whole board. In this menu, you'll find an option called Make Template. This is the feature that converts your current board into a template that others can copy. Click on Make Template. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the menu because it may be slightly lower down depending on your Trello layout or any extra features you have enabled. After you click Make Template, Trello will confirm the change and your board will switch into template mode. From this point on, the board is treated as a template that other users can copy to create their own boards. The structure of your lists, cards, labels, and checklists will all be preserved in those copies. It's important to understand what happens to the content when you make this change. Comments and activity history on the board are hidden in the template. That means conversations, updates, and past changes won't be visible to people copying it, which keeps the template clean and focused only on the structure and content you want reused. However, the members who are on the board will remain on the template itself. If you'd prefer a neutral template without existing members, you can remove or adjust board members after turning it into a template. Once it's a template, you or others can simply click Create Board from Template whenever you need a fresh copy of that setup, saving you time and keeping your workflows consistent.